Masechet Sanhedrin, PEREK, MISHNAH Aleph. Hayubotkin b'sheva hakirot. When they were examining the witnesses, it asked 7 standard question. Be'ez shavua, which shemitah cycle did the crime happen? Be'ez shana, what year of the shemitah cycle? Be'ez chodesh, which month? Be'kam b'chodesh, what day of the month? Be'ez yom, what day of the week? Be'ez shah, what hour of the day? Be'ez makom, what place? They had to answer all 7 questions. Rabbi Yosef says, no, not so many questions, only 3. Be'ez yom, what day of the week? Be'ez shah, what hour? Be'ez makom, which place? Then they would ask other questions. Makirina matoto, do you recognize the victim? Yani, do you know if he's Yehud, Jewish or not? If he's not Jewish, then the guy's not chaya mitah for killing him. He's only a chaya b'dei shemayim. Hitretem bo, did you warn him before? Yani, if you didn't give him hatra'ah, if you didn't give him a warning of the penalty, death penalty, he doesn't get killed. Ha'avid avodah zarah, if the guy's accused of doing avodah zarah. Et mi avad u'b'mei avad, what type of avodah zarah did they serve, and how did he worship it? Right, different avodah zarahs were worshipped in different ways, and if he didn't do the quote-unquote appropriate way of worshipping that avodah zarah, then he's not chayav mitah because he didn't worship it the way it was meant to be worshipped, and he won't be chayav mitah. Mishnah bet. Whoever, any bet din that asks more test questions, detailed questions, is praiseworthy because you'll find disparaging discrepancies and disparaging things or things that are contradictions, and you'll make the guy zakai, innocent. And Rabbi Zakai even tested the story of him testing the witnesses with the stems of the tree. Was it thin or thick? That's very detailed questions. What is the difference between standard questions and test questions? Hakirot, if it's a standard question, what day of time it was. If he says, I don't know, the testimony is batel, void. Because if you don't know a standard basic question, then it doesn't work. Bedikot, but it was a test question. If he says, I don't know. If it's a test question, detailed question, if they say one says I don't know, or if both of them say I don't know, it still works. These are only side details. However, if it's a standard question or a test question, if they gave an answer, if the witnesses contradict each other, the testimony is void because they're now unreliable. Let's not be wrong.